Hello everyone, I'm going to show you the basics of creating an NFT on OpenSea. First, what you need is to have at least one digital payment solution such as a crypto wallet or a MetaMask wallet, and you can check out other tutorials that we have up for how to create a MetaMask wallet. This will allow you to have an open account on OpenSea and therefore create an item. So in order to create an NFT on OpenSea, all you need to do is click on there once you have already logged into OpenSea, and you can click on create. From here, all you need to do is to follow whatever fields are there. I suggest that you start by deciding what kind of blockchain you are going to use. The most popular option most of the time is Ethereum, but I also really much enjoy Polygon, which could be a cheap alternative. After that, you need to upload an image, video, audio, or 3D model. And what's very important is to stick to those formats here. The maximum size should be 100 megabytes. The other thing you need to do is add a name and external link if you need the OpenSea to open another URL for you for the items detail page. I suggest also adding a description, perhaps explaining what your artwork is, what the purpose of the NFT is, and so on. If you are creating a series of artwork, you should definitely start by creating a collection, something that will appear here for you in the drop down menu after you have already created a collection. If you haven't, you should go first to My Collections tab. If you want to kind of fix the rarity or properties or utility of the collection, you can play with those features here. So as it falls, we have properties, levels, and stats. The only difference is the way that the utility could be described and shown in the NFT of your choice. If you have a content that may be sensitive, please click here, add a number of supply, and after everything that you have uploaded so far, and if everything is approved, is collected from the platform, you will be able to click on the create button. What you need to remember is that after you have created an NFT, this doesn't mean that the NFT is up for a sale. Your NFT could be created but not listed. In order to list it, you need to pay a certain amount most of the time, especially if you're using the Ethereum blockchain. So what I suggest for you is to check out your collection and check out the item that you have just created. To list it, you simply need to click on it and check out the characteristics that you have already added to the item. If everything seems okay to you and you agree with the way that this appears, you can list for sale. You proceed from here and you can choose from different options such as adding a fixed price or setting an auction. This option helps you to sell in two ways. The first way is to sell to the highest bidder. This means that you can set up a bid that can go and last for a period of even 6 months. So 1 hour or up to 6 months. People will be bidding for your item. And whenever the period ends, the item will be sold to the highest bidder. Obviously, you need to add a starting price so that it makes financial sense to you and you don't lose money. After that, you need to proceed with the other options. If you decide that you want to sell with declining price, you simply click on that option, and this means that you're going to set up a starting price and an ending price. The option here allows you to sell in a way that the price falls until someone purchases the item. Therefore, this makes it kind of more easier to sell, but you may be losing a little bit of money. Set a duration. We have a separate video explaining how to add creator earnings, so if this is zero to you, check out this video. And you will need to pay a service fee to OpenSea. This is a fixed service fee, so most of the time for every blockchain it should be 2.5. If you want to list an NFT for free and make it live, I suggest switching the NFT to Polygon. You can check out here our NFT that we have uploaded and listed for sale through Polygon. This is the way that your NFT will look once it is live. From here, people can make an offer and decide whether they want to buy it from you or not, and what price they want to buy it for. Right now, the floor price is 0. I obviously have a 0 ethers in my account, but if I had more money, I will be able to set the price for, let's say, 0.3 Ethereum and continue with an offer. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and check out web3tribe.com.